As Jim mentioned, don't forget to turn your clocks back an hour tonight. Daylight saving time ends this weekend. And firefighters in Lexington want all that clock work to coincide with smoke detector work. WKYT's Mike Linden talked to crews about the importance of changing batteries when you change time.
With so much going on in Lexington over the next 24 hours, it might be easy to forget about the end of daylight saving time. That's early Sunday morning, where clocks fall back an hour. Lexington Fire Department officials want you to not only check your clocks, but something else in your home as well that could save your life. Fire department officials say it's the best time of year to check your smoke alarms in your home. According to the National Fire Protection Association, about 2/3 of fire deaths occur in homes with either non-working smoke alarms or with none at all. Lexington fire officials say both the spring forward and fall back days of daylight saving time are the perfect time of year to check if your smoke alarms work or if they need to be replaced.
On a smaller scale, it saved your home. It could save the life of somebody staying at your house. And it could keep firefighters who will come in the home. We will come in, we will attempt to save you. We will risk our lives to try to save somebody else. You can prevent all that with a 9-volt battery.
According to Lexington Fire Department officials, most fatal fires occur overnight. In Lexington, Mike Linden, WKYT.
Daylight saving time ends at 2 o'clock Sunday morning. Enjoy that extra hour of sleep.